Okay, so we're gonna have an intro for our videos. It should be like intro. So like for an intro for our videos, what should it be?
We need some kind of like cool catchphrase, like you know how like live lava.
Kill breath. Kill breath. Okay, love you, bye. Kill breath.
You can do that, but I'm not. But
Wait,
like,
are we having our own intros for our, or we're gonna do the same intros for our videos? Oops.
so obvious.
Cut it out.
Oh, that was my ring.
Okay. Our own. Okay, we're gonna have your channel, my channel, and then our together channel, like Destiny or whatever. So is it gonna be the same intro for everyone?
Like Kyle Nexus 1 and
We're gonna
Davis
do our
versus
we're gonna do our
Live
own.
Lava Live. I mean, not by much, but like half a point.
We're gonna have our own intro. So
It's a very large muscle. Oh my gosh, you still have that.
I know. So yeah. Okay, so Jensen's intro.
You think that's hard?
Yeah, I've entered an actual rodeo before. It was really funny.
I've been to like 3, and like I'm just wondering. I mean, like these guys stay on these bulls for like 8 seconds, and it just looks so hard. But all they're doing is this, and it's kind of just hard. It must be hard if I can't even do it right here.
Okay, so my intro.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That hurts.
At least you didn't knock that thing over. Again. Ow! So, like...
I'm not gonna take you.
Okay, love you,
Hold on.
bye. That's what you're gonna do?
Hold on.
Okay, bye. I wanna have, like, a number on my foot, and that's gonna be, like, my special number.
This tickles so bad.
What are you even doing? Writing
An eye.
Oh, that's creepy! I wanna write, like, a number on my foot. It'll be, like, I'm manufactured. What should my number be? Alright, here, let me just see if I can... Okay, 0...
Hold on.
1529. 01529.
Move out of the way.
Hold on. Ah! That hurt. That hurt really bad.
These are my eyes. Okay, bye. I'm doing something really cute.
That was not a 9, that was a freaking G. Foot attack. Oh, jeez. Ow.
You hit the camera.
Sorry.
Again, I'm drawing something really cute on my finger. Wrong finger. It tastes nasty.
Oh.
Okay. So
Ow. I'm spot on my elbow.
I'm drawing something cute.
Fine, I'll just text. I'll text back Savings. I haven't texted him back.
Talk to
since.
people about your
It's about what?
about your freaking intro.
My intro? I have an intro. It's called Wing It. I named it.
What do you
it
do?
Wing It. You flap your wings like a bird.
You're just gonna come onto your video and you can.
Yeah, I'll just come on to my
Look,
videos and be like,
look how cute.
Let me see.
Look how cute.
I think we probably belong.
I know. Oh well. So I'm gonna do Caleb back.
I'm not doing it.
What are you doing?
I'm doing
Bird.
bed.
Bird. That's an inside joke between me and my friend. Go drink sideways. I want this one.